Hello, my name is Stacey Brook, and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to talk to you about the University of Michigan's supplemental essays. So here is some awesome news. For what seems like forever, the University of Michigan has assigned 3 supplemental essay questions. This year, there are only 2. Michigan, like a few other schools, have seemed to have dropped their activity essays, perhaps in the wake of COVID and in response to the fact that many students haven't been able to participate in their activities in the same ways they have in the past. Whatever the reason, there are only 2 essays for you to submit, and as far as I can tell, most of you are going to perceive that to be pretty good news. So let's talk about the first one. Everyone belongs to many different communities and or groups defined by, among other things, shared geography, religion, ethnicity, income, cuisine, interest, race, ideology, or intellectual heritage. Choose one of the communities to which you belong and describe that community and your place within it. Required 300 words max. This is a pretty standard community essay. It shows up in a bunch of other places. Duke has one that's fairly similar with a fairly similar word count. What's great about this community essay is the amount of information and options and launch points packed into the prompt itself. You just get a really good sense of how you can be creative about interpreting what community is to you. It can be something that feels maybe a little bit more obvious and a little bit more concrete, like ethnic community, religious community. But it can also be something related to your interests. Maybe you're part of a community of Dungeons and Dragons players. It can be related to intellect. What do you like to study? What subjects are you interested in? How do you engage with the community that is interested in the same things? Are you part of message boards? Do you exchange messages with a small group of your friends that are all kind of interested in the same academic pursuit? Of course, you can also cover an activity or a club or something that you've participated in, potentially for many years. No matter what, if you decide to choose something that already appears on your resume, just make sure that you're actually adding additional information, more context, something that adds value to your application and that justifies mentioning it again. Ultimately, what you're trying to do here is showcase for admissions that you're going to add value, diversity, some interesting modes of thought to campus. Ultimately, what can you contribute? That's what admissions is asking here. Prompt number 2. Describe the unique qualities that attract you to the specific undergraduate college or school, including preferred admission and dual degree programs to which you are applying at the University of Michigan. How would that curriculum support your interests? 500 words maximum. This is an example of a nice, healthy, robust why essay. We cover quite a few of them on this channel and also in our supplemental essay guide on our website, collegeessayadvisors.com. So if you're looking for additional guidance on other why essays, definitely check that out. The key to an amazing why essay is research. So you're going to have to put in some time on the University of Michigan website and just try to find all of the things that might interest you as related to what you want to study there. This is one version of the why essay that focuses specifically on academics. So while you might be excited to gallivant around Ann Arbor, while you might be excited in some of the more social elements of the University of Michigan, the sports, et cetera, this isn't the place to talk about that. What Michigan really wants to know here is, what are you interested in academically, and do you understand our offerings enough to be able to come in and hit the ground running? And the way that you showcase this for them is by being highly specific. So don't just talk about, the amazing professors and the class sizes. Talk about specific professors that interest you because of their work and maybe how it relates to some research you've done. Talk about classes, not just intro classes, but higher level classes that might not be offered anywhere else. You also want to connect what you studied, what you participated in the past to the offerings that you're talking about. Showcasing for Michigan that you fit them as much as they fit you is really important. And that is it. You have some really amazing opportunities to expand on what you have to offer to the University of Michigan here. So take advantage of the space you're given, and good luck. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Of course, subscribe to our channel for alerts about more videos that we will be releasing. And thank you so much for watching.